Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm YolandaEKing, your trusted realtor with illustrated property in beautiful Palm Beach Garden, Florida. Today, I have an exceptional listing to share with you. We are here at the stunning Marina Grande condos located at 2640 Lakeshore Drive, unit number 710 in Riviera Beach, Florida. If you're looking for luxurious living with incredible views and top-notch amenities, you come to the right place. Let's take a tour of this magnificent condo. As soon as you step into this condo, you'll notice the elegance and modern design. This unit is fully furnished and ready for you to move in. Let's start with the kitchen. Here we have a brand new Samsung smart refrigerator, a new Whirlpool stainless steel dishwasher, and stunning black granite countertops. The gray modern cabinets perfectly complement the white marble floors, creating a sleek and stylish look. The living room is spacious and inviting, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day. The large windows provide breathtaking views of the Intracoastals of Singer Island and Peanut Island. And don't forget, the condo comes with all the essentials: dishes, towels, linen, and even an air fryer. Step outside onto the balcony where you can sit and enjoy the beautiful views. Imagine having your morning coffees here, watching the boats and marine life. It's truly a peaceful and serene setting. Now, let's head over to the primary suite. This spacious room features two double bowl sinks, a luxurious jetted bathtub, and ample storage space. The modern design and high-end furnishings make this a perfect retreat. This condo boasts 3 bedrooms and 3 baths and a half bath. Each bedroom is beautifully designed and offers plenty of natural light. The new faucets in the bathrooms add a touch of elegance and functionality. Living at Marina Grande feels like being on a vacation every day. The amenities here are incredible. We have a new heated pool, hot tubs, grills, a new pickleball court, and a tennis court. The updated fitness center includes a steam room and a sauna. There's even a valet parking for your convenience. For those who love the outdoors, there's a walking trail with convenient pet waste stations. Marina Grande also hosts various social events, making it easy to connect with your neighbors and enjoy a sense of community. Security and privacy are top priorities here. Marina Grande is a gated community with a 24/7 security guard. With only 3 condos on every floor, you'll enjoy a very private and exclusive living experience. Location is everything, and this condo is perfectly situated. It's right across the street from Publix and walking distance to the beach. Whether you're looking to escape the cold or enjoy luxury living year-round, this is the place for you. This stunning condo is available for rent at $6,500 per month for an annual lease, or you can even choose a seasonal rental for $8,500 per month. If you're interested in a private tour or have any questions, please call me at 317-773-0067, or you can always email me at kingofhomesbyyolanda@gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour at 2640 Lakeshore Drive, unit number 710 in Marina Grande condos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real estate updates. See you next time. Happy house hunting, everybody. Bye.